Hi everybody, I'm Khiabanian from iduarchitects. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a classic column and canopy. The lathe is an important modifier to draw symmetrical models. You can take a shape and put a spin on it and make a model based on a 2D shape. Let's begin. I draw a section in front view. I go to shapes and select line. You can now hold down the shift to draw vertical and horizontal lines. Right click when you down. Now we can go ahead and add the modifier. I go to modifier tab, modifier list, and drop down the modifier list. Or you can hit L in modifier list. Now we have a 3D model. If your model is seen as black, click on flip. To change the model, you can move the axis of spin. Open the drop-down menu for the lathe and select the axis. Now you can see the yellow line in the middle of model. Move it. I said if your model is black, click on flip. You can change the degrees, and for more smoothness you can increase the segments or decrease. With this method, you can draw many different models. And we have a directions Z. You should select the right direction. And line. Minimum, center, maximum. I switch off the lathe. You can see the spin axis. Minimum is the inner side of shape. Inner side of shape. Switch on the lathe. And maximum is the right hand side of the shape. Minimum flip normal, maximum. You can see the changes. You can use this technique to create many different objects. Now I want to change this model to canopy. I use edit spline. I click on line and drop down menu of line. Select the vertex. Play with vertex. Refine and add vertexes. Now I click on the lace. Select minimum. Increase the segments. And add shell. A new model. I said you can create many different objects with this technique. In my last workshop last year in 2020, my students worked with this modifier and create pavilions and different models. Thank you for watching. If you have any problems, you can write to me. Good luck.